Imagine a city, not a city of today, tangled in a web of cables and wires, but a city of tomorrow. Here, towering structures of glass and steel reach for the sky. Flying vehicles, silent and graceful, glide through the air between them. They move with an effortless elegance, their journeys uninterrupted by the need to land and refuel. On the streets below, electric cars hum along pristine avenues, their batteries constantly replenished as they drive. There are no charging stations cluttering the sidewalks, no messy cords to untangle. This is a world powered by an invisible force, a world where energy flows as freely as the air we breathe. It is a vision of profound harmony between technology and nature. In this future, our homes are sanctuaries of seamless convenience. The television on the wall, the lamp on the table, the computer on the desk, all operate without a single plug. Power is simply present, available wherever it is needed. Kitchen appliances work without being tethered to the wall, offering new freedoms in design and function. Our personal devices, from phones to medical implants, are perpetually charged, their life-giving energy drawn from the very environment around them. This is not the realm of science fiction. It is a future that scientists and engineers across our planet are working tirelessly to build, a future powered by the remarkable breakthrough of wireless electricity. This transformation extends beyond our cities and homes. It reaches into the wild, remote corners of our world. Imagine research stations in the vast, icy landscapes of Antarctica, or deep-sea exploration vessels navigating the dark abyss. These vital outposts could be powered from afar, freed from the logistical nightmare of transporting fuel. Drones, the tireless eyes in the sky that monitor our forests for fires and our crops for health, could stay airborne for days, even weeks on end. They would simply recharge while in flight, drawing power beamed from ground stations. This technology promises to unlock new frontiers for human discovery and stewardship of our planet. The dream of a wireless world is one of a cleaner, more efficient, and more connected existence. It is a world where the limitations of physical connections simply melt away. The familiar clutter of chargers and extension cords would become relics of a bygone era, much like the rotary telephone or the steam engine. We are standing on the precipice of a new electrical age, one that promises to redefine our relationship with energy itself. The journey to this future is underway, driven by human ingenuity and a shared desire for a better, more sustainable world. The air itself is set to become the next great conductor of power. Across the globe, a quiet but intense competition is unfolding. The world's leading technological nations are in a race to master the science of wireless power transmission. In the United States, from the hallowed halls of MIT to the innovation hubs of Silicon Valley, researchers are pushing the boundaries of what is possible. High-tech laboratories are filled with the hum of advanced equipment. Here, scientists are fine-tuning systems that can power a swarm of drones simultaneously or charge an electric vehicle as it pulls into a garage. The spirit of pioneers like Nikola Tesla, who first dreamed of this wireless future over a century ago, is alive and well, driving a new generation of inventors. Meanwhile, in Asia, the scale of ambition is truly breathtaking. China has emerged as a formidable force in this technological race, investing vast resources into large-scale projects. Imagine entire highways where electric vehicles recharge as they travel at speed, their journeys limited only by the driver's destination, not the battery's range. In bustling cities like Shenzhen, pilot programs are already testing wireless charging for public buses, reducing downtime and improving the efficiency of urban transport. These efforts are not just experiments, they are bold statements of intent, signaling a future where entire infrastructures are powered wirelessly, fundamentally changing the urban landscape. In Europe, Germany's renowned engineering prowess is focused on industrial applications. In the highly automated factories of the Industry 4.0 initiative, wireless power is seen as the key to unlocking the next level of efficiency. Robotic arms and autonomous transport vehicles on the factory floor can operate continuously, untethered by cumbersome power cables that restrict movement and require constant maintenance. This enhances productivity and creates safer working environments. German engineers are methodically perfecting these systems, ensuring they are reliable, robust, and ready for the demands of modern manufacturing, setting a global standard for industrial excellence. Not to be outdone, Japan, a nation long celebrated for its innovation in electronics and robotics, is exploring unique and ambitious applications. Japanese researchers are investigating the possibility of space-based solar power. The concept is audacious. Huge solar panels orbiting the Earth would capture the sun's energy, converting it into microwaves and beaming it down to receiving stations on the ground. This could provide a continuous, clean source of power day and night, regardless of weather conditions. From wirelessly powered medical implants to grand visions of harvesting energy from space, Japan's contribution to this global endeavor is marked by meticulous precision and a long-term vision. How is it possible for electricity to travel through the air, seemingly by magic? The science behind it, while complex, is based on principles we have understood for a long time. One of the most promising methods is called magnetic resonance. Think of two opera singers who can shatter a glass with their voices. If both singers hit the exact same note, the resonant frequency of the glass, their combined sound waves create a powerful vibration that breaks it. Wireless power works in a similar way. A transmitter coil creates an oscillating magnetic field at a specific frequency. When a receiver coil, tuned to that exact same frequency, comes near, it resonates. This resonance allows energy to be transferred efficiently from the transmitter to the receiver, while having very little effect on other objects nearby. It is like a secret, invisible handshake between the two coils. This method is exceptionally safe for living beings because our bodies do not resonate at these magnetic frequencies. It is ideal for charging devices over short to medium distances, from a smartphone on a charging pad to an electric car parked over a transmitter in the floor. The beauty of magnetic resonance is its efficiency and its ability to transfer significant power without the need for precise alignment, making it incredibly user-friendly for everyday applications. Another powerful technique involves microwaves. This method is better suited for transmitting power over much longer distances. Imagine using a highly focused beam of light to send a signal. Microwave power transmission works in a similar fashion. A special antenna, called a rectenna, converts electrical energy into a narrow beam of microwaves. This beam is then aimed at a receiver, which can be kilometers away. The receiver, also a rectenna, captures the microwaves and converts them back into usable electricity with remarkable efficiency. This is the technology that could one day make space-based solar power a reality, beaming clean energy down to Earth. In laboratories, we can see these principles in action. A large Tesla coil might crackle and spark, filling the air with a theatrical display of raw electrical power, demonstrating the fundamental concept of wireless energy transfer that inspired generations. In more controlled experiments, a light bulb, with no physical connection to any power source, suddenly illuminates as it is brought within a magnetic field. Or a small drone hovers steadily in the air, its propellers spinning not from a battery, but from a beam of energy directed from below. These demonstrations are more than just scientific curiosities. They are the tangible proof of a future unplugged. The widespread adoption of wireless power holds a profound promise for the health of our planet. Our current reliance on batteries for portable electronics creates a significant environmental burden. The mining of materials like lithium and cobalt is often destructive, and the disposal of billions of batteries each year contributes to toxic waste. Wireless power could dramatically reduce this dependency. With energy available on demand from our environment, devices could be designed with smaller or even no batteries. This would not only conserve precious resources, but also significantly cut down on electronic waste, leading to a more circular and sustainable economy for our electronics. Furthermore, wireless power transmission can make our energy grids more resilient, efficient, and clean. Imagine renewable energy sources like wind or solar farms located in remote, optimal locations, the windiest plains or sunniest deserts. The power they generate could be beamed wirelessly to cities hundreds of miles away, overcoming the challenges and costs of building and maintaining long-distance power lines. This would reduce energy loss that occurs during transmission through physical cables and allow us to harness the full potential of green energy. It would accelerate our transition away from fossil fuels, a critical step in combating climate change and preserving our world for future generations. This technology is a cornerstone for the development of truly smart cities. A wirelessly powered city is a more fluid, adaptable, and intelligent urban environment. Public infrastructure, from streetlights to traffic sensors and public information displays, could be installed without the need to dig up roads to lay cables. This makes cities easier to manage, upgrade, and expand. The Internet of Things, a network of interconnected devices, would flourish in an environment where everything is perpetually powered. This seamless connectivity will enable smarter traffic management, more responsive emergency services, and a higher quality of life for all citizens, creating urban centers that are truly responsive to the needs of their inhabitants. The journey towards a wireless world is one of the great scientific adventures of our time. It is a story of human ingenuity, global collaboration, and a deep-seated desire to improve our world. From the simple convenience of a home without cords to the grand vision of a planet powered by clean, boundless energy, the potential is immense. As we continue to unlock the secrets of transmitting power through the air, we are not just inventing new gadgets. We are rewriting the rules of our relationship with energy. We are building a future that is brighter, cleaner, and more connected than ever before, a testament to the remarkable power of the human imagination.